What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm not going to try and kind of fluff it out or anything. We're getting the exhaust fitted. I cannot wait. It's been a long time coming to get this done. So we've just jumped in the car now. It's 10 to 7 in the morning, really early start. We're trying to get there for 8 o'clock, bang on. And we're driving down to Milton Keynes to go to Deutsch Tech. And they're the guys that have built and are going to start fitting this exhaust. So it's a lovely looking custom system, and hopefully I can film a little bit when I'm there and show you. If not, I'll just kind of show you later on. But yeah, I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. So I'll check back in with you guys once we get to Deutsch Tech. See you then. So we've just arrived at Deutsch Tech, guys. So I'm just going to quickly park up and then I'm just going to run in and we'll go and speak to who we need to speak to and get her in the garage and start getting the exhaust fitted.
2 hours later.
So the car's just up on the ramp now. I can't really go in and film that much because like COVID and there's obviously the workshop, they're busy, so I can't really go in and film, but they're cracking on with it. I've just had a look. Looks like they've got one side of the back box is fitted. So yeah, we'll just keep waiting until it's done.
Six and a half hours later.
The S5 Exhaust is just finished. We've just got it out of the garage and I put a couple of clips in of it just sort of driving at the moment, but it sounds sick. I'm so happy with it. We've got these little fob things, so these are for the valves, so it's got valves in the system. It just sounds awesome. I don't know what it's like on the motorway yet. I know these cars are bad for drone, so we'll see how it is, but the minute it's valves open you'll probably be able to hear it. I'm going to give it a little blip. It is up to temperature because it's been running for a little bit, so that's all good, but it's loud. Like, I'm glad I went for a box in the center because if I didn't it would be too loud. Oh man, I'm made up. Let's give it a blast. Let's give it a blast now. Oh my god. Oh my god, my fuel economy is going to be so bad because I'm just going to be doing that all the way home. Massive shout out to Deutsch Tech in Milton Keynes. They've absolutely smashed it with this exhaust. Fully custom, stainless steel, catback exhaust with valves. Yeah, highly recommend. If you're in the UK, in the sort of Midlands area, check out Deutsch Tech in Milton Keynes. They have absolutely smashed it. I'm not ending the video here. I'll probably do some more sound clips and stuff, some drive-bys and what have you, but yeah, absolutely made up. Absolutely made up. We're outside now, guys, and do the first proper cold start on the S5 after getting the exhaust done. So let's go outside, get the car started up, and let's see what it sounds like. Here goes, guys. I'm just gonna have to prop you down here. But we're gonna get the first proper cold start of the S5.
Let's just, the valve's open, I don't know. No, valves are closed, so we'll open up the valves.
So guys, I'm just sat here now editing this video. I really apologise, it's taken me like 2 weeks to actually sit down and edit the video, so I've had the exhaust for like 2 weeks now. I've just been so busy with work and just not had the chance to actually just sit down and get stuck in and edit this video. So finally getting it done now. However, I've had the exhaust on for 2 weeks, like I said, so it's given me a bit of time to actually kind of get used to it and give you guys a bit of feedback on what it's actually like. So the V6s, as you might be aware, in the S5s and the S4s, are notoriously bad for drone, like really, really bad when you change the exhaust system. So this has got valves in the system and it's got welded J pipes, like drone pipes on the back boxes as well to help try and eliminate some of that drone, which has worked to an extent. It's not as drone-y as I think it would be if they weren't there. So it's definitely made a difference. Like sat on the motorway at 70 miles an hour, I mean, there's still a little bit of drone, but it's livable. Like I can live with it kind of thing for the odd occasions when I'm going to be sat on the motorway for like extended periods of time. So it isn't that bad at all. But for every other time when you've got it in dynamic mode and you've got the valves open and manual, all the rest of it, it's absolutely insane. Like it's so good. I mean, you can hear from them little drive-by clips, like the DSG farts are like really, really prominent now, like really loud, which is ace. If you're driving through town, it like echoes off the buildings. Yeah, I love it. It's so good. I'd probably say it's the best mod I think I've done so far, because it's really just changed the car completely. I mean, lowering it was one of my favourites as well, because the arch gap was ridiculous on it. But yeah, just for pure enjoyment of actually driving it, just makes the thing like so much more better to drive. Like it's really good. Like I just love it. I really do love it. So yeah, really pleased with the exhaust. Like I said, this was just a short video to show you guys, let you guys hear it. If you did like the video, then please hit the like button. If you've got any questions or comments, or let me know what you think about the exhaust. Does it sound good? I mean, it might not come across the same on camera, but I think it sounds really good. So drop a comment in the comments box and let me know what you guys think. So this is going to be the end of this video. As always, please, please, please hit the subscribe button. Help support the channel, help me grow the channel, and help me keep bringing videos and content to you guys. So please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.